Hey guys, Paula here. So this is approximately 2 feet long, this phone cord here, but it will actually go ahead and stretch up to 13 feet long. And you can see as soon as I stretch it out, it actually easily retracts and recoils really nicely. It does have the plastic ends on each one with the copper on the inside. Each of the ends actually have this little locking clip on the very end. Just to go ahead and kind of show you the other side as well, it does have the little locking clip. And then you can actually purchase this with or without the attached detangler or accessory of the detangler. Now the detangler actually rotates a full 360 degrees. It is made of plastic as far as the clip and the end, but if you're using your hand receiver, it actually prevents this phone cord from getting wrapped up, knotted and twisted and what have you. So this is about 3 inches long, but if this is what you're looking for, definitely would go ahead and recommend it. It definitely takes out the frustration and kind of the headaches of having to straighten out your cord.